Lucidchart makes it easy to produce crisp, professional flowcharts. I'll give you a quick tour of some key features of Lucidchart. Let's draw a flowchart explaining how to draw a flowchart. We'll start with a terminator block, which represents either the beginning or end of a process. Let's add a process block. Notice that you see guidelines indicating that the new block is lined up with the first. Now, drawing a line from the first block to the second is just a matter of clicking and dragging from the edge of one block to the other. Let's add a decision block. The text we want to put in this block is a little too long for the block's default size, so we'll stretch it to be a bit taller. As a convenience, the first two lines drawn out of decision blocks have yes and no written on them. You can change or remove this text easily if you'd like. Now, I'd like to draw more blocks representing how to share a flowchart with collaborators, but it's a complicated enough process that I'd like to put it into its own page. Let's draw an off-page link block here. I'll just type in the name of the new page it will link to and press enter. That block is now a link to the shared document page I just created. I'd like to put the shared document page in landscape mode, so I'll open the Properties panel and change the page orientation. Finally, I'd like to add my company logo to my flowchart. I'll upload a user image of the logo and then just drag it onto the page. Lucidchart makes the editing process easy and intuitive by implementing common keyboard shortcuts, like using Ctrl+S to save your changes, Ctrl+C, X, and V for copy, cut, and paste, and many others. You can undo and redo every change you make to a document using Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y. All of these options are explained in the main menu. Now that I'm done, I'll save my flowchart to PDF to bring with me to my next meeting. That's all it takes to create a professional flowchart with Lucidchart. Sign up for a free account to experiment with additional features like recoloring or restyling blocks and lines, publishing your documents online, and collaborating with other users.